Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to MKZ Crypto. In this video, we're going to go over how to download and install software wallets such as Exodus and Atomic Wallet. Let's get into it. Cryptocurrency wallet is a secure digital storage used to store, send, and receive digital currency. Your public key and a private key make up your wallet. To the type of storage, we have the cold storage. So for the cold storage, we have something we call the hardware storage. These are based on encrypted USB that you can connect to your computer and store your crypto. Example, Treasure and the Nano Ledger. So you can see them, you can see how they look like here. And then these are what we call the hardware storage. And this is this is one of the safest way to store your crypto. Cold storage are good for long-term storage. If you want to store your crypto for a long-term investing, if you're not a constant trader, somebody who buys and sells crypto more frequently, the cold storage will be your best bet. The second category of storage that we have is the hot storage, which is the software-based storage or the exchange wallet. So the exchange wallet is the exchanges where we buy or we trade our cryptocurrency. They have a wallet where you can use, but the downside of that is you do not own the private key. The exchanges, they own the private key, not your keys, not your coin. If it is not your private key, it is not your coin. Something happens to the exchange, you might lose your cryptocurrency. You also have an online wallet like the blockchain wallet. This is the same as the exchange wallet. The private keys are stored within the web application. For this video, we're going to concentrate on how to download and install the hot storage software-based wallet like Exodus and Atomic Wallet. All right, these wallets are multi-currency storage with a private key stored on your device. So once you download and store this wallet, the private keys are stored on your local device, not on any server. So you actually control the private key. That is, they are non-custodial wallet. These software wallets are desktop based, so they are just as secure as your computer security. Make sure you have a good antivirus on your system and avoid using your computer to download any suspicious link or visiting any suspicious site. This can compromise the security of your computer. They support over 100 cryptocurrency. The Exodus wallet is extremely user-friendly. Exodus also gets updated every 2 weeks. Both Atomic Wallet and the Exodus Wallet generate 12 seed words or phrases for wallet backup and recovery. That is, when your computer crashes or gets stolen, you can actually recover your funds from these 12 seed words. Do not store these seed words on your computer or your cloud-based application because they might get exposed during a data breach or a hack. Alright, so now we're going to go into how we download and install our first software-based wallet, Exodus. Alright, we're going to navigate to exodus.com, and then before we click on the download, we just want to do a little bit of a verification of certificate. So we click on that, you go here, you click on more info, you click on view set, and then you're going to notice that we have the common name here is what Cloudflare. So this is the issuer name. The validity of the certificate is what is actually from the 3rd February 2021 to 2nd February 2022. The alternate names here, you can see we have Exodus. So this tells you that the Cloudflare is actually a content delivery solution. So the content delivery solution, Cloudflare, optimizes the delivery of website resources from the hosting location to the visitors. We can see that this is actually a valid DNS name and it belongs to Exodus. Now we're going to hit on the download. And then you notice that we have a desktop base and then we have a mobile base. Right? So we're going to go with the desktop base download. You're going to select your operating system. So I'm using the Windows operating system. So I'm going to go with the Windows download. And I'm going to save the file. Download is completed. See it here. So now we can see that Exodus has been installed. You can run it by clicking on the shortcut on your desktop or in the app menu. All right, so we're going to click on OK. So this has been installed on our local computer. So this has been completed. We can see it on our desktop here. We're going to double click it to open it up. All right. So you see here it says we have two options here. it says make your first deposit or restore from backup. So if you have your let's say you have already downloaded this application and then something happens to your computer and you're downloading it and installing it again, you can actually restore it from backup using your 12 seed words that we're going to talk about in a few. All right, so this being a new wallet, we're not going to deposit any cryptocurrency just yet. We're going to go down to settings. You click on settings and then you go to backup. Here you're going to have to create a strong password. Next, we're going to re-enter the password and then we're going to click on next. So this is what I was talking about the 12 seed words. It says your secret recovery phrases is hidden for security. Mouse over the numbers to reveal your words, right? So these are the 12 words that you need to copy and save them in a secure location. This is what you need in case your computer crashes or your computer is stolen. You can actually use these 12 seed words to recover your cryptocurrency on a new device using these 12 seed words. So when you mouse over, you're actually going to see that it reviews the word for you, right? So that's how you're going to do. You're going to mouse over each of the 12 words and then you copy them down and store them in a location where you're not going to misplace them. And this is very, very important. When you misplace these seed words and something happens to your computer, you cannot recover your cryptocurrencies. Make sure you write them in order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and store them in a secure location. All right, so we're gonna go next. So now they just want to confirm that we actually wrote down these seed words. This is the last step. Which word from the list below belongs to your paper backup? So you want to see if you actually took note of the words. So we're gonna choose which of the words here match one of our the seed words that we selected, and then we're gonna click on finish. So it is actually reminding us again, write your secret 12-word recovery phrase on the paper and store it in a safe deposit box or lock vault. So now we're going to go back to security. We click on the security tab. It says auto lock. So this is set to never. You want to change this to say 15 minutes. This is very important. We're going to go to the personalize tab. You click on that. So here you can actually personalize your favorite layout, the currency, and then the theme that you want to adopt. So for instance, here we have the currency. If you want the US dollar, which is defaulted, you can keep that. But you can go down the list and select whatever currency you want your cryptos to be displayed in. All right, so I'm going to go with the default United States. We're gonna click on this one, create a manage portfolio in your wallet. You click on that. You can select our color theme. So if you want the original, which is this one here, we can go with the midnight, we can go with the evening, and then the moonlight. So this is how it's going to look. Or you want to go with the equinox, this is how you're going to look. So we're going to keep it on the original. And then we're going to go down to the texture. Whatever texture you want to adopt, we're going to select the skin. So whatever skin space you want to select, whatever you want to select, you can select it. So the last one here is going to be the sound. So this is just going to be whenever you receive or send some funds between your wallet and the exchange, it's going to have some defaulted sound. All right, moving on. Portfolios. You can create multiple portfolio. You can have one for savings, one for spending, one for shopping. So you can create multiple portfolios. Enter the portfolio name. Right, so we just created another portfolio called spending. You can set up multiple portfolio within your wallet. All right, moving on, devices. So you can sync up your devices. Say if you have a mobile device, you have your phone, you have your tablet, you can download Exodus app on those devices and then sync them up with your desktop version of the application. And also if you have a hardware wallet like the Trezor we talked about, so you can actually install the Trezor bridge to allow communication between the Trezor device and the supported application. All right, moving on. All right, so the next one here is going to be apps. So Exodus comes with some pre-installed apps. You can take a look and see which of the apps you want to use for your device. All right, so the last one here we're going to talk about is going to be the asset. So here you have all the crypto asset that the Exodus wallet supports. All right, so moving on. Here we have our portfolios. We have the Exodus. We have the spending portfolio. All right, so The next one here is going to be our wallet. So we don't have any, we have $0 in this wallet for now. All right, so the next one here is going to be the exchange. You can actually exchange any crypto that you currently have with the one you want, instead of going back to the exchange to buy this crypto. So for instance, I can exchange my Bitcoin here with any of this crypto here. So for instance, if I want to exchange it with Zcash, I can equally do that. So I'm going to set the amount of Bitcoin that I have. If I want to use the max they have or the minimum value of my Bitcoin to get a Zcash, I can actually do that. Once I specify that, I can click on exchange and I'm going to get my Zcash in my portfolio. So the next one here is going to be the Exodus shares. So Exodus is going IPO very soon. So if you're interested, you can create your portfolio and then you buy the shares whenever they go IPO. I'm going to go back and deposit some crypto from the exchange that we bought into this wallet. But before we do that, I'm going to go over how you download and install Atomic Wallet before we proceed with the transfer of our cryptocurrencies into the wallet. So to download the Atomic Wallet, we're going to navigate to the website here that says atomicwallet.io. We can also do the certificate to make sure the certificate is valid. And then we're going to go down here to download. We're going to select our operating systems. So you see it also supports multiple operating systems. So we're going to select the Windows operating system. And then we're going to save the file. All right, so our download is complete. We're going to click on the installer to install our Atomic Wallet. All right, so we have our wallet installed, just like we saw in the Exodus wallet. If it's a new wallet, you click on the new wallet. But if you're restoring from your 12 seed words like before, you click on that and then you restore from your seed words. All right, so we don't have any, this is a brand new wallet. So we're going to click on new. And then we're going to set up a password like before. All right, so we set up a password. All right, so it says, please write down a 12-word backup phrase and keep the copy in a secure place. These are going to be our 12 seed words that we have to copy and store in a safe location, just like we did in the Exodus. So moving on. We're going to go on Open Wallet. We have our wallet created. So this is the interface for this wallet. Now that we have the wallet installed, so you notice that we also have the exchange here as well. So you can exchange cryptos if you don't want to leave your wallet. So for instance, you want to exchange BNB with say Polkadot. You can do that here. Also, you can buy crypto if you don't want to leave. You can buy crypto. If you don't want to go to the exchange, you can actually buy your crypto within this wallet, but take note of the fees. All right, so, and also they support staking. So some of these coins can also be staked here, like the Zilliqa, the Cardano. You can stake them, and then we're going to talk about the staking as we go on in this series. All right, so now I've logged into my Coinbase account. So now we're going to transfer some Bitcoin into our Exodus wallet. So we can go to our portfolio and see how much Bitcoin we have. We have about $39 in Bitcoin. So we're going to click on the send and receive. And because we are sending, we're going to send it away from here. We are not receiving, we are sending. So we're going to make sure we're on the send tab, right? And then we're going to enter the wallet address of where we want to send this Bitcoin, our Bitcoin wallet address. Okay. Here we're going to go to make your first deposit. We click on that. And then we're going to go to Bitcoin. It's already defaulted to Bitcoin. And then we're going to select receive. Pay attention. The first one we are sending, we're clicking on the send, but this we are going to receive. So we click on the receive, and then we're going to copy our address here, the Bitcoin address. Once we copy that into our clipboard, then we're going to navigate back to exchange, and then we paste the address here. Now we're going to select how much we want to send. So in my case, I want to send all my Bitcoin. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on send all, and I'm going to click on continue. And send now. All right, it's going to ask me for my second factor authentication or two-factor authentication. All right, so once we enter that, we're going to confirm. And our Bitcoin will be on its way to our wallet. Done. So we're going to go back to our portfolio, and then we wait for the arrival of our coin. For Bitcoin, it might take a little bit longer to get into our wallet, but let's see how long it takes. All right, so we just received our Bitcoin in our wallet. Awesome. So now when we navigate down, we can see that our wallet has what? Our wallet has $37.38 of Bitcoin because of the charges. So now we're going to navigate back into our Binance.US exchange. Notice that we have about $32.93 in Litecoin. So we're going to do the withdrawal into our Atomic wallet. So we're going to click on withdraw. And then we're going to specify the wallet that we want to withdraw this Litecoin to. So we navigate to our Atomic wallet. And then we're going to go to, we're going to look for our Litecoin. So here's the Litecoin here. You click on that. And then we're going to receive Litecoin. All right, so we click on receive. And then we're going to copy this public address. This is what you send to people anytime they ask for your public address to send you any crypto. So we're going to copy that. Now we're going to navigate back to our exchange. And then we're going to paste this address here. So how much do you want to send of the Litecoin? So I have about $32.93. So I'm going to click on the max. And then I'll click on submit. So it's asking for my two-factor authentication. All right, and I'm gonna, so right there you see your withdrawal request has been sent. So we're gonna go to our email to confirm this withdrawal. All right, so I just confirmed my email. So now let's go back to our wallet. So now we are in our Atomic wallet. We're gonna wait for the arrival of our Litecoin. So we see we still have $0 here. All right, so we have our Litecoin just arrived in our wallet. So you see, this is how you transfer your cryptocurrency from the exchanges to your wallet. Now let's look at how we're going to transfer a crypto from the wallet to the exchange. Say you want to sell some of your cryptos that you already stored in your wallet. You can actually do the same. You can use the reverse process that we did and send some of our, or moved your crypto from your wallet to the exchange. Let's look at how that works. All right, so now we're going to navigate back to our wallet, our Exodus wallet. Notice that we have about $37.31 of Bitcoin. So we're trying to move this Bitcoin from this wallet into our Binance US exchange. All right, let's see how we do that. So we're going to go down here and click on the Bitcoin. And now we're going to click on send, because we're actually sending this Bitcoin, and this is going to ask us for Bitcoin address that we want to send this Bitcoin to. So we're going to navigate back to our exchange real quick. Now we're in our Binance exchange. What we're going to do is that we're going to click on deposit. And then we're going to change the coin or the cryptocurrency that we want to deposit here. We want to deposit what, a Bitcoin. So we're going to click on this little arrow, and then we're going to look for Bitcoin. So we select our Bitcoin, and this is going to be our Bitcoin address. We copy this address. So now that we've copied the Bitcoin address, we're going to navigate back to our wallet. Now we're in the wallet. We're going to paste the Bitcoin address. So you see, make sure you have this check mark, because they're going to verify that it's actually a Bitcoin address. All right, so how much do we want to send? We want to send all. So you see, we actually paid a lot in the gas fees, in the transaction fee. All right, so you're going to click on send, and then we're going to click on send. All right, so this Bitcoin has been sent. Navigating back to our exchange. All right, so now we can see that our $30 Bitcoin has been transferred into Binance. So now we're going to move our Litecoin from Atomic Wallet into Binance.US as well. So going to go to Litecoin, and we're going to go to send, and we're going to navigate back to our Binance and copy the address. I'm gonna go to deposit. So we're gonna get our Litecoin address. We copy that. Go back to our Atomic wallet. We can paste it down here. All right, so we have our Litecoin address. How much are we sending? We're gonna send all. All right, so we're gonna hit on the send, and then we're gonna confirm our password. All right, so this has been sent successfully. So we're gonna go back into our Binance.us. All right, so now we can see that our Litecoin has been deposited into Binance exchange account. All right, so this is how you do it. You can move it from the exchange account to the wallet, and from the wallet to the exchange account if you want to do some trading. All right, that's it for this video. And again, all the links to download all the wallet we went through, the Exodus and Atomic wallet, will be in the description below the video. Do like, share, and subscribe for more videos in this beginner crypto series. Also, do comment below and let me know what topic in crypto you would like to see. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.